Good Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazurek visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, as we wrap up 2026, looks like another unseasonably warm day on tap for the high plains.
Yeah, Joe, we're going to continue to see these unseasonably warm temperatures all the way through the weekend and early next week. And the scenario is there's a ridge that's out to the west, and we got a trough in the northeast and eastern United States. And that ridge will start working its way over the Rockies, become a blocking high over the Rockies, and pushing that trough to the northeast into the Atlantic Ocean. So what that will do through next Wednesday is you'll have a rain shadow over the mountains, no moisture east of the Rockies and west of the Mississippi in that center of the country because it will be blocked by that high pressure. That'll also lead to the westerly and northwesterly downsloping winds that'll add to the warmth as well as sunny skies. So we come off of December where we saw no precipitation. We saw record warm temperatures for Christmas earlier in the month. And so it'll probably go down as one of the driest and warmest on record. And then we move into January on that warm note here on the last day of December and for tomorrow and the first day of the year heading into the weekend. See temperatures this afternoon in the middle 60s to the south of I-70, the lower 60s to the north. We're starting off with temperatures above freezing out there in Burlington and Goodland, below freezing in the other monitors of 26 in Oakley, 26 in McCook, 21 in Oberlin, Norton. And our winds are from a southwest direction out there on the border. That'll be picking up at 10 to 20 miles per hour and turning to the northwest for the afternoon. Tonight's low temperatures, again, will be around that 30. Then tomorrow, we're again in the 60s. We'll be in that 60, lower 60s, maybe reaching up there to middle 60s in some locations, a low of 28. We do have a wind front that will come through tomorrow evening, turning our winds from a southwest to a north direction. And then that will pull in some cooler air for Friday and some clouds. We'll go 56 for a high, a low of 30. Still staying dry, a southeast wind at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And then for Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we'll see those temperatures climb into the lower to middle 60s, maybe even some upper 60s with lows below lows above freezing in the 30s. So we'll have mild, almost close to near record type temperatures again there to start the first of the year. And then as we look later in the week, we'll start to see those mild temperatures stay in place through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Models are suggesting a low pressure coming out of Colorado, a trough digging out west. It'll start sending a series of low pressures over the mountains as we head into the middle parts of the month. And it does look like if we catch some rain or snow the end of next week into next weekend, we have the potential for another disturbance just about each week to the end of the month that would change that weather pattern to more rain snow activity, catch up those moisture deficits from December, and then head into the cold parts of the winter here in late January, February with a more active weather pattern.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet for 106.1 KYVZ. I'm Joe Vazurek.